Okay, guys, example number 4. It says 115 is 35% of what number? Okay, again, I like to write down these, and I think you should too, just so you get this in your memory. It becomes second nature, you don't even think about it. Is over of equals percent over 100, or part over whole. Okay, so I always put the 100 in the bottom right. It says, starts off, 115 is. So I put 115 in the is spot. 35%. I put 35 in the percent spot. Of what number? What number goes in the of spot? And instead of writing what number, I write x. Now I've got my proportion. All I do is cross multiply. I get 35x is equal to 115 and 2 zeros because I'm multiplying by 100. Okay? When I'm multiplying by 100, I move the decimal point 2 places. Okay? I'll get rid of that so I don't confuse you when you're looking at it. All right? So 35x equals 11,500. Okay? Now I need to divide both sides by 35. Oh, smartboard goofing off again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right. Okay. Get rid of that. There we go. I'm sorry, guys. Okay. Now, let's see. We're going to divide both sides here by 35. And I'm going to get x equals something. All right. So let's do the long division. 35 into 11,500. 35 doesn't go into 1. It doesn't go into 11. It goes into 115 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry my 1. 3 times 3 is 9, and 1 is 10. Now I'm going to subtract, and I get 0, 1, and then I need to bring down my 0. Now 35 goes into 100 2 times. 2 times 35 is 70. Subtract. I'm going to get 30. Bring down my 0. And 35 goes into 300 8 times, I think. Good. Thank you, Alexander. 8 times 35. 8 times 5 is 40. Put my 4 up here. 8 times 3 is 24, and 4 is 28. And I've got 20 left over. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and do decimals on this one. Bring down my 0. Okay. 35 into 200. I don't know. It's not 6. It's probably 5. Okay. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry my 2. 5 times 3 is 15, and 2 is 17. When I subtract, I get 250. I'm going to bring down another 0. Okay. 35 into 250. Boy, I hope this ends soon. Let's see. 6, 7 times, I think. 7 times 5 is 35. Whoa. I need to move the board down a bit. 7 times 5 is 35. Carry my 3. 7 times 3 is 21, and 3 is 24. Okay. Subtracting again. 5. Bring down the 0. Will it end? Will it end? 35 into 50. 35 into 50 goes 1 time. 1 times 35 is 15. All right, guys, I'm nearing the end. Okay. All right. Bring down another 0. That's going to just go 4 times. 4 times 35 is 140. And you know what, guys? I think we're going to get to a repeating decimal. I'm going to stop right there. Can we do something? I'm actually going to do this for us. Let's go back to right here. Okay, before we did the decimal point, we had a remainder of 20. We can write this as 328 and 20 over 35, but we have to reduce that. 5 goes into each. 328 and 4 over 7. 4 sevenths.